just riding dirt bikes and having a fun, darty day party. I mean, I started like 4 vlogs, and they're all like pretty good vlogs. I just haven't posted them.
Hold it back. Dude.
That'll make your pussy die.
Fucking send it, eh?
Bad bitches like the walk across the street, don't even look both ways. They all stop and stare from my face. It's a sunny evening, so I flare on my yeah, look at them people, they so deceitful. Hard just like some Beatles,
Hey man, the vlog out, man.
Yes, sir.
How we doing?
You see this?
Look at that.
You see
That's
that?
nice. We upgraded.
Yeah,
What up, baby?
We're just hooning.
What we do? Nah. Not the tree.
Hold
Not
up,
the tree.
hold up.
Warm?
So good. So good.
Well, I land in the raft.
Debating if I wanted to try to do a double backflip again.
Naked.
Because last time I tried to do a double backflip, I landed on my skull and like thought I had a concussion. I don't know what to do.
Double backflip.
I'm gonna break myself though. Can't hear or move. I'm in so much pain actually. Wow.
Looks like it.
I'm afraid it's gonna catch my balls like it usually does.
Alright, pull your fucking hands.
I don't want to get completely naked. I'm not doing a double backflip completely
Okay,
naked.
do 1 backflip naked.
Okay, fine.
Come on, bro.
Let go!
She almost. You don't have to like. You don't have to jump. You don't have to dive into the water. You let the rope take you.
And make sure your legs aren't dragging across the ground.
Add it. Keep it tight until you're off.
There you go. Jump.
Explain something. What is up, YouTube? So we had a vlog fully done and finished, and another one started, but I uploaded the video and then it got all messed up, so I deleted all of the footage. Then I deleted it off YouTube, tried to get the footage again, but I already deleted it all. And then I didn't realize that it was messed up until it was already uploaded, so I had to re-edit it. Then I was already over here while I was supposed to be re-editing the video so I could get posted on time. And then I brought the SD card home, and that SD card's nowhere to be found. So now we have no video at all. I still have the shitty version of the video, which is like, oh, this is what it looks like. Sick-ass montage of us building a new diving platform. But that was also on that fucking SD card. So, we got a new SD card, and I guess we'll start a new montage. Once I edit this, we're gonna find that fucking SD card. That's the stupid fuck.
yeah. Run it up, Blondo. Run it up, Blondo.
Hey, bitch, I'm from Texas, where we still riding swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a Pepsi. See, I come from the D where we got checks and we be flexing.